Hello chess enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of strategy and elegance with this magnetic travel chess set, a perfect blend of form and function. This deluxe chess set features large, extra heavy metal pieces with padded bottoms, offering a satisfying heft and a light magnetic attraction to the board, ensuring stability during play without hindering movement. Crafted from durable metallic material, these pieces promise longevity and exquisite workmanship, making it an ideal companion for both beginners and seasoned players. The handmade folding wooden chessboard measures approximately 30 by 15.8 by 6.7 centimeters, providing a compact yet spacious playing field that folds neatly into a portable wooden box for easy storage. With a king standing at 2.52 inches and a queen at 2.44 inches, the set offers 4 optional colors for a personalized touch, making it not just a game but a statement piece. The board comes complete with a full set of 32 weighted metal chess pieces, secured with a metal lock latch, ensuring everything stays in place whether you're at home or on the go. This chess set is not only a fantastic tool to stimulate your brain and exercise your mind, but also a wonderful gift choice for your loved ones, especially during the festive season. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.